Meet Stick and Find, the world's first and smallest Bluetooth Finder sticker. Stick and Find stickers come in many colors, so everyone can find their favorite. Stick and Find Finder stickers help you to prevent losing your possessions. Stick them on everything, so you won't lose anything. Don't be late looking for your keys. Find them fast. Find your wallet right away in yesterday's clothes. Don't worry about your pets running off. Ensure that your loved ones are always safe. Put it on your luggage and save the hassle of replacing everything you would have lost. Stop losing your stuff and find more time. The Stick and Find app is simple and provides the user with a radar to make it easy to track your items. You can also page your sticker with the Page It button on the app. Activate the LED light if you're searching in the dark. Find everything fast. The Stick and Find app has many more useful features, such as a virtual leash, which will inform you that your personal belongings or loved ones have wandered a bit too far away. The app will tell you right where they are, so you can find them quickly. The Find It feature alerts you once your item comes into range, like your wife's car coming home a little bit earlier than expected. Our powerful social tracking feature allows you to keep track of your stickers from all mobile devices or the web. This feature shows your sticker's recent and last known location. Or enlist all Stick and Find users by marking your item lost. Then any user in range can find it and bring it back to you. Stick and Find also helps you protect your precious personal belongings. You can surround it with a virtual geofence to protect and alert you if someone takes it or you leave it behind. Stick it to the things you love and find time to be with them. Never lost, always found. Stick and Find. Get your Stick and Find today. Visit us at www.stickandfind.com.